spanking new artist, one spanking new music. In a matter of moments, I will be going live to Austria. We're talking to an upcoming artist. Her name is Atara. Hey, she mad, trust me. I know I'm not gonna love her. As soon as me drop her tune, I'm not gonna love her to bits. Not lie. The Black Queen. Gone up, gone up. Right about now, I'm gonna drop Atara music, and then we'll be talking to her live and direct. Tell me what you think.
Tara, that one you go to me, Black Kingdom, you seen. Tell me something, something, something. Don't you know that you're a star? Tell me something, something, something. Coming from the line of our Black Kings, Black Kings, Black Kings, Black King, my King, my King, my King, my King. Tell me something, something, something. Don't you know that you're a star? Tell me something, something, something. Coming from the line of our Black Kings, Black Kings, Black Kings, Black King, my King, my King, my King, my King. Now you know God bless you with your melanin. Don't you dare be ashamed of your dark skin. You're a black king, they bring you up for him cause you're a god on the earth. You're coming from far, my Israelite star. You know the real Jews are dark. Coming from the day I know our art. The Bible dictionary hymn, the progenitor of the dark race. But not the Negroes, the Egyptians, the Canaanites, Ethiopians, Egyptians, the Canaanite. It takes a black man to lead. It takes a black man to lead his people out of poverty. Hey, his people out of poverty.
Hey, we love that one here. Come again. Hey, good afternoon, Atara. Atara, you're live. Wagwan.
Wagwan.
There you're looking for us. Welcome to RadioDiamond. Welcome to RadioDiamond Drive Time as usual. I know DJ Buckles in the building.
Hello, RadioDiamond. Hello, UK. How are you?
How are you doing today, girl?
I'm good, well good. I'm talk about our English.
Anything you want to talk, you know, because you're universal, don't it?
Yes, no.
First, let me ask you, which part you hang out like right now?
Where am I now?
Yeah.
I'm in Austria.
Austria. What is like in Austria? What the time in Austria now? Because people boy are good at not even know. What's the time in Austria?
It's 6:53 in the afternoon PM.
Wow. So this music, you know, this is one of your latest production of the production line. What inspired you to do that one? Because I love it. I love the words. I love the beat. I love everything about this music. What inspired you to do such a music like this?
The Black King song. Well, I did Queen. Well, you know about Queen. And I was like, everybody was like, what about the king? You can't have no queen without a king.
Most definitely, you can't.
Yeah, so I wrote the Black King song alone at first. But then I had a bunch of African artists asking me for collabs. So I was like, okay, I'm going to put all Kenyan on this song. So I picked some Kenyan artists. But then I had this Ghana artist asking me to sing with me, this Zimbabwe artist asking me. So I was like, what if I pick all of these artists and put them together, and all of them representing their country and representing also the black race? Because, you know, black people are hating themselves a lot right about now.
Most definitely.
So it would be good to have black men singing about them loving themselves and also representing for the continent of Africa. So I picked 4 artists, one from Ghana, one from Nigeria, one from Zimbabwe, and one from Kenya. And I told them, if you can write a verse that sounds good on this track, I'll put you on the Black King song. and they all killed it.
So tell
They
me
all made
something.
it sound very good.
So tell me
Yeah.
something. As clear as me I listen to this music, I acknowledge it's not you alone on this track. Who are the other artists? Is those the guy you're talking about?
Yeah, those are the guys I'm talking about.
So what's the name? What's the name and where they? I know you said they got them from Kenya, so and so. So
Yeah,
give me the.
you have
Go on.
Lofty Footage representing for Ghana.
Big up
You have
Ghana.
Yomade Sounds representing for Nigeria. And you have Godi BG representing for Kenya.
Go on,
And
Kenya.
Tina Lynn representing for Zimbabwe.
Good. It's like, in other words, this music is like a united nation, right?
Yeah, and I'm representing Jamaica.
Oh, you mean which part
You
of
know?
Jamaica you come from? Which part of Jamaica you come from?
I was born in Montego Bay, but I grew up in Kingston and Spanish Town.
Which part of Spanish Town? But you touch my nerve when I say Spanish Town. Which part of Spanish Town you come from?
Are you from Spanish Town?
Most definitely my place, that the De La Vega City is my place. But it's not about me, it's about you. Winter Pen, we know them places, man. Them place, their place.
I know we are Barda. We know De La Vega City, man.
See, so how long you been doing music?
Well, I just started to do it professional 2020.
Alright, so one more question now
Yeah.
before me turn up at the music liquor.
Yeah.
Where the inspiration come from?
For the Black King songs or for what?
For you becoming a artist, a DJ, a singer.
A rapper. I'm a rapper. What do you mean, Sing J?
No, but that's what I'm telling you now. For me and many other listeners, that's why I know you're clever. That's why I know you're talented, you're gifted. Because you say you're a rapper, but it comes across like you're a singer as well. So you're catch.
Yeah, because
So you actually.
I wanted to do something for my Black King.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I represented that song for good. I was gonna put a Jamaican on it, but I was like, why do I need two Jamaican? I'm already a Jamaican on it.
You should have done that, man. You should have done this. You should have done that.
I'm not Jamaican, so I'm not representing Jamaica.
Yeah, but when you have one more on there, so two, I say, you know what style already.
A man. So maybe I can do a remix with some Caribbean, like take some Trini, Jamaica, Barbados, Haiti. What do you think?
Yeah, you never can tell. If you can unite the African continent, you can unite the Caribbean continent as well, don't it? Or the Caribbean.
Yeah, it's so difficult to find Caribbean people to work together, like how you found those Africans to work together.
So in Austria at the moment, what is it? What is the music? What the music is like? You know, these type of music. Is it a powerful music over there, or it's just growing over there? Is it established?
Well, for that song just came out, but for Queen, my song Queen, they love it.
Your song Queen.
But yeah, my song Queen, they love it here.
I remember coming across that song, and I got so much different what you call it now, devices in here. I'm trying to find it because you know I love that one, don't it?
I can send it back to you now.
Yeah, you could
send it back to you.
I'll find it.
Big up Snake in Ghana. He told me to say hello to him.
Alright, big up.
He's a rapper too.
Big up Snake in Ghana because we're global, you know, we're global. Alright, we're gonna play this song and let the audience listen, because this song, the beat, everything about this song is so unique. I love it. From the minute you send this music to me, I've been listening to it. This song got a little.
Then why you didn't subscribe to my YouTube channel and buy it on Spotify
Listen,
and Amazon?
I don't want to subscribe for nothing and nothing come out and nothing, because me not too, me I know that type of people who love subscribe and press button and bell and all them something. Me don't know, me just know straight for. Me's a record man, me just get up to scratch with technology, you know, and you know, you say I was sending me back the song Queen and I wonder how
me. Send it to you and I see it.
You send it? Alright, me could just listen to music. Look, yeah, man, make a look fit, man. But we just listen to the song and make the audience them listen to music, and anybody out there listening and loving this music, just send me a text and let me know what you think about it. 07918991000. 691. Right? Alright, here we go. Her name is Atara. She's from Jamaica, but she's based in Austria, and she's doing it. She's killing it. I love this one. I hope you love it too.
Atara, that one you go to my Black Kingdom, you seen? Tell me something, something, something. Don't you know that you're a star? Tell me something, something, something. Coming from the line of our Black Kings, Black Kings, Black Kings, Black King, my King, my King, my King, my King. Tell me something, something, something. Don't you know that you're a star? Tell me something, something, something. Coming from the line of our Black Kings, Black Kings, Black Kings, Black King, my King, my King, my King, my King. Now you know God bless you with your melanin. Don't you dare be ashamed of your dark skin. You're a black king, they bring you up for him cause you're a god on the earth. You're coming from far, my Israelite star. You know the real Jews are dark. Coming from the day I know our art. The Bible dictionary hymn, the progenitor of the dark race. But not the Negroes, the Egyptians, the Canaanites, Ethiopians, Egyptians, the Canaanite. It takes a black man to lead. It takes a black man to lead his people out of poverty. Ayy, his people out of poverty. It takes a black man to lead. Tell me something, something, something. Don't you know that you're a star? Tell me something, something, something. Coming from the line of our Black Kings, Black Kings, Black Kings, Black King, my King, my King, my King, my King. Tell me something, something, something. Don't you know that you're a star? Tell me something, something, something. Coming from the line of our Black Kings, Black Kings, Black Kings, Black King, my King, my King, my King, my King.
Black kings matter in the world. Where we start to carry them in our cities. Nigerian kings to the world. We better than them, we so freaky. We got the powers and skills above furniture for the east. We got the strength and source above beneath for the south. Satan of the Sokoto, where you can't get me, I swear you go know. Odi of Ife, yeah. Ilu Abwe, no to do the
Zimbabwean boy with Atara Giala. Queen from Jamaica, I'm proud of being black. Proud of being black. Toda the nation did it. Dark skin, chocolate. Chocolate, so nice. Brown skin, chocolate. Chocolate. Black kings you are, strong kings you are. You a champion. You a naka wakadaro. China wakadaro. Remember it's a masterpiece. Blessed by the most I got. Strong black kings. You a naka wakadaro. China wakadaro.
Tell me something, something, something. Don't you know that you're a star? Tell me something, something, something. Coming from the line of our Black Kings, Black Kings, Black Kings.
Hey, I don't know about you, but we can't tell us that we love that song about. Me love it. I love the combination. I love the everybody does come in and them do them thing, and it does sound so refreshing.
Did you feel say too long?
You think it's too long?
Mm-hmm.
Let me tell you something. Don't make nobody tell you no. It never
love all of them. Me love all of them part, dude. Me love all of them funny.
Remember, this is like it's a United Nations song, you know. So it have to long, you know. Everybody have to express themselves, and once it's the right message going out, can't be too long, you know. So where we can get this music if we buy now? Where we can get this music? Where the listener them can purchase this music?
Well, go on YouTube, search for Atara Black Kings with that feature and Lynn, Yo Made Sound, Lofty Full PH, and Godi DG, and you can buy on Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon, everything. It's on everything.
So Atara, I got a few listener texting saying all the way up. Some of them said them love the mix. You understand? So instantly people take to the music, they like it because the message is right and the unification of the artist is so even nicer, as we would say. So when you're looking to come to the UK, or when the UK are gonna see you?
I don't know when you guys book me for a show.
Oh, come on. No, well, manager need to get in touch because you gotta you're moving forward, girl, and we here in the UK would love to be so much part of that, you know, on the journey.
Yeah, I'll be coming there. Don't worry. Soon as your Delta virus goes away, I'll come.
You know something, it's everywhere. We have to unite against that thing, right? Don't it? So that track they call Black King, and you have one named Queen, and for me Queen should be a blockbuster. It should be a chart topper. It should be a Billboard entry, at least entry, because it's a powerful music. And once again, I have to ask you, because the type of music that you rap, because you say you're a rapper, but to me you're a sing J. Can you sing?
You can send me a sing J if you want.
Yeah, well, that's something I have, but you know, you're originally a rapper, right? You know, not much people come from Jamaica do rap. And you know, you're doing it, and you're doing it with style. You're doing it with just like flawless. It's like, you know, effortless. You rap and you sound sweet.
Yeah, you know, my mother used to beat me. Mommy, me sorry if you listen and you hear me a disgrace you. No, so my mother used to beat me for talk English.
So why she beat you for talk English?
She said only Butu pit me alone talk patois.
Oh no! Come on, mommy. That's our culture. That's our thing. You know.
God.
That's what.
It
That's,
still help me with the rapping now.
Yeah. So the rapping. So me want to know what make you just decide. Say, look, I am Jamaican and I'm gonna be doing rapping. What cause?
I used to sing when I was younger. You know, I used to sing a lot when I was younger. But one day I had to perform in front of people and I got stage fright.
Stage fright? You get stage fright?
Yeah, we get stage fright singing in front of people. And then one night I went to karaoke and I dropped a Nicki Minaj song and realized that when me I rap, me feel good.
Okay.
It just come out better. I was writing poems.
So that's what.
And then I start to put the poems on beat. Sorry, go ahead.
Right. So it's the Nicki Minaj song that you drop, and you get all the forward, all the brap 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 brap. So that leader to become, she does say, yes, I'm just gonna rap and done, yeah.
No, that made me see that when I'm rapping I don't have stage fright.
Right, so and that push you even more if you just stick to rapping.
No, that time I didn't start to rap yet. I was writing poems, but then I was in my house and I was recording poems, and I recorded one of my poems on a beat. Somebody said to me, "Wow, you sound like Lauryn Hill." Are you a Jamaican?
You see what I'm saying? What you mean? Yeah, well, but you know, I'm glad how you wave the flag, because to be honest, I don't have I've got no knowledge. I know there's a place named Austria, but I couldn't tell you if they drive on that side, or it's big or it's small or it's snow or it's hot. I don't know. So me have to give you enough respect and give you a whole heap of credit for know say you're there somewhere like Austria and I represent Jamaica, because everybody listen. This minute we hear one accent, then we hear a Jamaica accent just chip in. You know, you balance the thing, right?
I'm trying to talk patois, but I have to stay in the English for my people that they can understand me, anybody that's watching from this side,
Yeah. Yeah, well, you can't lose who you are, and I'm glad your music, the energies, it's just, I don't know if you tell you, Atara, I don't know if you see you face to face to tell you, your music's, when we hear, they're good, they're full of purpose, and they got lovely message in them. Basically, you're telling everybody just to be proud of who you are, don't lose your way. And that's why when you sent me this song, the song called Queen, I was so, let me just play this song named Queen by Atara. If you just a join in, me I talk to the Black Queen out of Jamaica, but she based in Austria. She's not no DJ, she don't do sing J, she's a rapper, believe it or not. She's from Jamaica, but she rap. Listen to this one. This one is called Queen. Tell me what you think about this.
You know it's your rap queen from Jamaica, Atara. Let it rain. This song is dedicated to my young women, queens. The rain, how the sound gives me peace. The sound helps me sleep. I play it on repeat. Never cheat, never creep. The crowd I don't need. I smile, I don't speak. I love and I leave. It's sad and it's neat. Afraid out of guilt. You saw but don't speak. A love that's unique. A fraud and a thief. You robbed me of my time and my world, that's a crime. I locked you in my jail and now I don't care. I love and I weep. For days I don't eat. But now that I'm free, I'll never be that cheap. I'ma love this for me and no one else to keep, but only for my child and the other state could leave. No love given for free. I'm praying that you leave. I'm saying I don't need. I'm meant to fill my needs. I'm perfectly fine on my own, ain't no crime. And that's for me. I'm here to teach a new generation of girls to be a woman. Don't imitate the dragon. A queen thinks with a mind, not a body parts. Follow your heart. Such a waste of a good queen. Let it rain, cause the rain gave me good dreams. Yeah, the pain gave me legacy. Bad thoughts, mad thoughts, they be memory. Time to build and lead. I'm black and beautiful, top of the gold, top of the throne. These slow life niggas can't get my soul, can make me a hoe. I'm pure like the king of a most. Time to rewrite history, no diamonds and golds. The friends
I have a dream. Download now our app. Tune to Radio Diamond. We are global. We are on your phone, tablet, computer, and Android. www.radiodiamond.co.uk.
You know it's your rap queen from.
Me have to pull it up. The song, just listen to the message and the music.
Let it rain.
Listen to the message in the music. Listen.
This song is dedicated.
Her name is Atara.
My young
out of Jamaica, based in Austria, representing
Queens. The rain, how the sound gives me peace. The sound helps me sleep. I play it on repeat. Never cheat, never creep. The crowd I don't need. I smile, I don't speak. I love and I leave. It's sad and it's neat. Afraid out of guilt. You saw but don't speak. A love that's unique. A fraud and a thief. You robbed me of my time and my world, that's a crime. I locked you in my jail and now I don't care. I loved and I weep. For days I don't eat. But now that I'm free, I'll never be that cheap. I'ma love this for me and no one else to keep, but only for my child and the other state could leave. No love given for free. I'm praying that you leave. I'm saying I don't need. I'm meant to fill my needs. I'm perfectly fine on my own, ain't no crime. And that's for me. I'm here to teach a new generation of girls to be a woman. Don't imitate the dragon. A queen thinks with a mind, not a body parts. Follow your heart.
Other part of beloved Atara.
Let it rain, cause
Why?
The part where say a queen thinks with a mind and not her body parts, because it's clear to see plenty ladies nowadays, some of these young girls, they use their body to get somewhere in life, and after all of that, they regret it. See, somebody just text me say they love it over here in the UK, they love it, they absolutely. You know what, I'm afraid to get there with us. We just send it back what do we do.
Subscribe, follow me everywhere. Atara, every day.
We soon come to that.